Alan Shoemaker.
512 here on this Monday morning across the valley. A little cold this morning. The weekend was warm, but now a cold front moved through overnight. We're back in the 40s this morning and only will be in the 60s this afternoon. Even with sunshine around most of the afternoon, it's not going to warm up very much. And sunshine most of the week, too. If you like sunshine, it is going to be out most of the time this week. But still, we have some cool days in the 60s and 70s, which is still pretty good, but there will be some chilly nights in the 40s, maybe even 30s in some areas this week. So again, be ready for some chillier nights ahead. Right now we are in the 40s most everywhere, still clinging on to 50 in McAllen, 51 in Rio Grande City, and even near the coast. But generally, I think most everywhere will fall into the 40s over the next couple of hours before we start to warm back up. Wind flows coming in from the north. Sustained winds close to about 15 miles per hour. That's enough to make it feel a little colder. When you factor in the wind chill, as I mentioned last half hour, some of this is maybe a little deceptive because you see the 50s here, the wind chill won't be calculated when the air temperature is above 50. Remember, it was still like 51 in Rio Grande City and it says 52, so it throws off the numbers a bit. But once you get below 50 degrees, then it shows the wind chill accurately. So it is in the feeling like it's in the low 40s. Probably feels like it's in the mid 40s, these other places where it says 50 degrees. But point is, it's chilly this morning. And this afternoon, there won't be as much wind. So if you want to do something outdoors today, probably in the afternoon when it does warm up at least into the 60s, if you have to get ready for Christmas or do some outdoor things around your house. Mainly in the low to mid 60s this afternoon with the wind decreasing. And still, though, will be a cold night with the lighter winds later tonight from Monday night. We'll be back down in the 40s tomorrow morning. So we'll be just about as cold tomorrow morning, maybe even a little colder than this morning, but it may not feel that much colder when you wake up Tuesday morning because the winds will be much lighter. You see, we're only showing like 3 to 8 miles per hour instead of 10 to 20 miles per hour. So it will be a chilly morning again on Tuesday just without the wind. Some patches of clouds are still moving through right now, mainly some higher clouds, but no rain out there. And it looks like we'll be missing out on rain again this week with FUTURETRACK showing just some high clouds coming through today and then fading away more as the afternoon comes around. So less wind and more sunshine this afternoon and still a cool day. By tonight, again, mostly clear skies. It will be a chilly night with lows in the 40s, but tomorrow sunshine is back in again. And I think tomorrow will be one of the nicer days of the week with lighter winds, highs in the 70s and plenty of sunshine. But today, breezy this morning, then some sunshine, a high of 64 degrees with northwesterly winds strongest this morning, about 10 to 20 miles per hour and decreasing as the day goes on. Well, 70s tomorrow is feeling good. Sunshine by the time we get to Wednesday back in the 60s as another weak front comes through. Not much different from what we have now, but I mean, compared to Tuesday, it will be a little cooler, still in the 40s in the morning. Notice Thursday morning, 30s, upper 30s maybe for lows, and near 70 in the afternoon with sunshine. We warm up a bit more Friday and Saturday. There is also a weak front on Saturday, has like a 10% chance of a shower, but not much, and then it drops a little with temperatures in the 60s Sunday. We'll keep tracking all this in your first 1-5 forecast here and have a look at your weekend and the Christmas forecast here on Channel 5 News this morning.